Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, owner of Stand Up Woman and Natalie's Table. Just dropping in to show you these 3 Father's Day gift mugs that my customer ordered. And I'm just showing you a quick look at these gifts before I wrap them. Stay tuned for the finished product. These gift mugs will be going out tomorrow. Okay everyone, here we are. We are back with the finished wrapped Father's Day gift mugs. And all I did, I used the thin ribbons and just did a color coordination of each mug so everything will match and blend, and I then pull each strand of ribbon individually to curl them to give it this curly ribbon effect. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video or this short, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Yes, babe. Sorry, you guys. My husband was speaking in the background, asked me if I was still recording. Thank you all for watching. And have a super sanctified and blessed Sunday.